Hello traders, investors, and crypto enthusiasts. Welcome to our channel where we bring you in-depth analysis, hot news, and reliable projections about the blockchain universe, Web3, and the future of digital money. Today, we're going to talk about a major development shaking up the crypto market: the inclusion of Solana, SOL, and XRP into the Nasdaq index, one of the most influential stock exchanges in the world. This could represent huge investment opportunities and mark the beginning of a new phase for these altcoins. Let's understand together what's happening, how it impacts the market, and which projects are standing out in this new scenario. Did you know that two of the biggest altcoins in the market, Solana, SOL, and XRP, have just been added to the Nasdaq index, one of the most important stock exchanges in the world? This could mean great opportunities for investors who follow crypto trends. And there's more. Other altcoins were also included in this important move toward institutional legitimacy. Today, we'll show you why this announcement could be the starting point for new altcoins to shine in the coming months, and which projects are gaining traction in this new cycle. Nasdaq, one of the largest and most influential stock exchanges in the world, has just taken an important step toward the institutional adoption of cryptocurrencies. Since June 2nd, 2025, 4 new altcoins have entered the Nasdaq Crypto US Settlement Price Index, NCIUS: Cardano, ADA, XRP, Stellar Lumens, XLM, and Solana, SOL. They now join Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum, ETH, on this index, marking a significant milestone for the sector. But what does this mean for you as an investor? This inclusion demonstrates that financial institutions are beginning to recognize the real potential of these altcoins, even though regulatory limitations still exist in the United States. The news came shortly after the Hashdex Nasdaq Crypto Index US ETF, NCIQ, submitted a request to the SEC Securities and Exchange Commission to begin purchasing these newly added altcoins. However, for now, the ETF is still not allowed to acquire assets like XRP or SOL due to existing legal restrictions. That means, although they are now part of the index, the fund can only trade BTC and ETH, creating what is known as a tracking error, since it fails to accurately reflect the overall performance of the crypto market. This puts pressure on the SEC, which must decide by November 2025 whether to allow the ETF to expand and include these new altcoins. If approved, analysts expect a ripple effect similar to what happened with Bitcoin ETFs in 2024. Increased institutional demand, higher liquidity, and, of course, appreciation in value for the included assets. Why this decision matters for the alt market. The inclusion of altcoins in the Nasdaq index shows that the crypto market is maturing, and big players are now eyeing opportunities beyond Bitcoin and Ethereum. Projects like Solana and XRP, now under the institutional spotlight, may attract capital inflows once regulatory barriers are lifted. Additionally, another key factor is already in motion. Nasdaq has requested approval from the SEC to expand the ETF to follow the broader Nasdaq Crypto Index, NCI, which includes 9 cryptocurrencies, including Link, LTC, and Uni, along with those already mentioned. In other words, if the SEC approves, more altcoins could gain strength in the traditional markets. This opens the door for innovative new projects to take advantage of this momentum and stand out before the next major market rally. Promising projects to watch: Snorter Bot, smart automation on Telegram. If you're into fast, efficient trading with low fees, the SnorterBot project might be on your radar. It's built on the Solana SOL network and offers a native Telegram-based trading bot, allowing automated operations with features such as fast token swaps, new token sniping, copy trading, rug pull detection. The native token, SnortR, offers exclusive benefits for holders, including reduced fees, 0.85%, and privileged access to new launches. The pre-sale is in its final stage and has already surpassed the $1 million fundraising mark, showing how much interest developers and traders have in decentralized, agile solutions. Want to learn more or participate in the pre-sale? Visit the official SnorterBot website. Ondo Finance, tokenization of real-world assets. Meanwhile, projects like Ondo Finance are betting on a future where traditional financial assets enter the blockchain securely and transparently. The protocol works with the tokenization of real-world assets, RWAs, allowing users to invest in bonds, ETFs, and other financial products directly via blockchain. The Ondo token powers the entire ecosystem and is used for governance and participation in the protocol. Despite facing regulatory challenges, especially around fiat-backed assets, the project already has strategic partnerships and is drawing attention from major players in the industry. Despite being technically complex, Ondo represents a new era of convergence between DeFi and traditional finance. Solaxi First Layer 2 solution for Solana. Another rising name is Solaxi, the First Layer 2 solution specifically built for the Solana blockchain. The Project AS goal is simple: increase scalability and drastically reduce transaction costs on the Solana network. The SLX token powers the entire ecosystem, encouraging holders to participate in staking and off-chain roll-ups while maintaining the security of the base layer. With the pre-sale having raised over $45 million and only 6 days left to close, the project is gaining attention for its practical utility and the growing popularity of the Solana blockchain. The current price of SOLX is at 0.275, but with an 88% staking reward available directly on the official site, many traders are rushing to secure their positions before the official listing. Definitely worth checking out if you're looking for early-stage projects with exponential growth potential. Final thoughts: altcoins on the rise and real investment opportunities of XRP and Solana in the Nasdaq index is more than symbolic. It is a clear sign that the crypto market is evolving and that well-positioned altcoins could play a vital role in the next bull run. Projects like SnorterBot, Ondo Finance, and Solaxi represent different fronts of innovation, from trading automation, asset tokenization high, and network scalability, and deserve special attention from anyone seeking real profit opportunities amid this new wave of institutional interest. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and comment. Which altcoin do you think has the greatest potential in this cycle? Don't forget to hit the bell icon to receive notifications for new videos.